So I'm starting out with my favorite mattifying primer from Makeup Forever, also going in with my favorite foundation at the moment, Born This Way from Too Faced Cosmetics. I'm going to be applying that and blending that out with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to color correct and conceal under the eye area. I'm going to mix two shades from the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in the shade Light Beige for my sunspots, and then Nude for right under the eye area just to brighten everything up. Using the Too Faced setting powder, I'm just going to apply that right under the eye. This is also going to help the shadows from trickling onto my cheeks and messing up my foundation and concealer. So I'm going to use this palette right here from Ardell. It has some mattes and some shimmers. It's so pretty. I saw it the other day at Sally Beauty. And you guys, this palette, the pigment is amazing, and the blendability, holy buckets. You need to get this. It was only $15.59. I'm just applying this warm shade right here just in the crease, going back and forth in wiper motions. I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm kind of extending it to the outer corners of my eyes, giving me that cat eye effect. I'm going to use this light matte shade to highlight the brow bone. Going in with my ring finger, I'm going to apply this really pretty gold metallic shade. Oh my gosh, it is like butter. It just goes on so nicely and smoothly, and the pigment, like I said, is amazing. You could probably use this wet, but you honestly don't have to. I just used my finger for more of a color payoff. So then I'm also going to mix a little bit more of this light champagne color and just pop it right in the center. Just going in with the first shade that I picked up, just a tiny bit more, and applying that in the outer corners and the crease as well. I'm going to give myself a wing liner, and I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Pen. Now that I'm done holding my breath, I'm going to go in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. I'm going to finish this look off by applying some of the same shadows that I used in the crease, just in the lower lash line to smoke it out, and then also some mascara, obviously, in the bottom as well. I'm going to use a different mascara for the bottom. I'm going to try this Collab, it's not Collab, guys, it's Collab mascara, because it's a lengthening mascara, but the wand is so tiny, and I thought it was perfect for those lower lashes. And yeah, looks good, and it works great. Now that my mascara is dry, I'm going to go in and curl my lashes. This lash curler is also from Ardell, and it works pretty well. So I'm going to add warmth back to my face. I'm going to bronze and contour. I forgot to show the product, but it's from Makeup Geek, and it's the contour powder in the shade Complicated, as well as the blush. I forgot to show it, and it's also from Makeup Geek, and it's in the shade Infatuation. I'm going to highlight the cheekbones. I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. So when I'm done doing my makeup, I usually like to go in with just like a large fluffy brush and just blend everything out, make sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm going to use a bold red lipstick. This is from Hair.beautyy. I love their liquid lipsticks. They stay on all day and they're not too drying either. This is in the shade Candied. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Bye guys!